Hi, Jammin JD Sports Cards. Going to bring you a quick box break recap. This is 2012-13 Elite Edition basketball done on February 21st, 2014. Where's everybody in that break? And again, this is just the recap. If you want to watch the full video, you can find that on our Ustream channel. Alright, so obviously we got the Kobe cards going to Keith B. First card, Danny Green for the Spurs. 242 of 275 going to Keith B. They got David West for the Pacers. 048 of 275 going to Turk. Got Chase Budinger. 023 of 275 going to the Timberwolves. And that is Teresa B. Shumpert. 101 of 249. Nice rookie there. Going to the Knicks. That's Big Joe. Sweet Pau Gasol. Turn of the century. 22 of 99. Cool little insert there for the Lakers. Keith B. Andre Drummond. Rookie. Auto. It's that nice little clear acetate. And that is for the Pistons. Going to Brian S. Another one of the clear autos. Brian Roberts. For the Hornets, Michael K. Tyler Zeller. For the Cavs, that's Big Joe. Sweet die cut Jamal Tinsley. 76 of 94 for Utah, going to Jordan C. And our glass card was Damian Lillard again. Very cool. Going to Portland, Teresa B. There you are. That was it for our basketball break. Follow us on Twitter at JamminJDCards, and if you want to get in on our breaks, we are doing it every Friday, and you can grab a spot at www.jamminjdcards.com.